In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to your Wix website. If you want to start selling through your Wix site, the first thing you need to do is make sure Wix Stores is installed. To begin, open your website in the Wix editor. On the left-hand sidebar, click the Add Elements or Add Apps icon, depending on the version you see. From there, search for Wix Stores and click Add to Site. Once it's installed, Wix will automatically create the main pages your store needs, including a shop page, individual product pages, and cart pages. You may also notice sample products added automatically, which is completely normal and helps you see how your store layout will look. Next, head over to your Wix site dashboard, because this is where you will add and manage your actual products. In the dashboard, go to Catalog, then Store Products, and select Products from the left menu, in the top right corner. Click the New Product button. At this point, Wix will ask whether you want to create a physical product or a digital file, such as an ebook or a video. Choose the option that matches what you are selling, since this affects how the product is delivered and managed. Now it's time to enter your product details. Start with the basic information by adding a product title. You can also include an optional ribbon, which is a short label that appears on the product, like new arrival or sale. Then add a detailed description so customers clearly understand what they're buying. If you want a little help writing it, Wix also offers an AI description generator. After that, move to the media section and upload high-quality images, GIFs, or videos that show off your product. Strong visuals can make a big difference, so it's worth taking a little extra time here. Then set your pricing. Enter the main price, and if the item is discounted, you can also add a strike-through price to show the original amount. If your product comes in different sizes, colors, or other variations, click Add Option. This allows you to create variants, set different prices for each one if needed, and track inventory separately. Then scroll down to the Inventory and Shipping section. Here, you can manually update stock levels, mark items as in or out of stock, or use SKUs to keep things organized. If you plan to use automatic shipping rates, make sure to enter the product's physical weight as well. Once everything looks good, click Save. Your product will automatically sync to your live shop page, making it visible to your customers. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.